If the filter indicator stays on after installing a new filter in your GFE26JYMFS French door refrigerator, it simply means the system still needs to be reset. The refrigerator tracks water usage and reminds you when the filter should be replaced to maintain clean drinking water. After replacing the cartridge, resetting the filter indicator clears the reminder and allows the system to start tracking the new filter from zero. The process takes only a few seconds using the refrigerator's control panel. And try these. Step 1. Install the new water filter cartridge properly in the refrigerator's filter housing. Step 2. Close the refrigerator door and locate the control panel on the front display. Step 3. Press and hold the water filter or reset filter button for about 3 seconds. Step 4. Wait until the filter indicator light changes or turns off, confirming the reset. Step 5. Run water from the dispenser for about 2 to 3 minutes to flush the new filter and remove air from the system.